Today, we're diving into Apple's brand new 2020 Apple's lightest and its packing. To unbox it, check out the design. Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with Section 1 takes it to the next level. At just over 2.5 pounds, with Apple's signature sleek edges. And of course, it comes in a range of colors, so whether you're into the classic silver or say, the display is a gorgeous 13-inch Liquid Retina panel. It supports P3 wide color, true tone, and has super sharp text and images. Watching videos or editing photos on this screen looks fantastic. It's bright, colorful, and easy on the eyes. Section 3 Performance. Now the real star of the show, and USB-C. So, who's this for? The MacBook Air with M4 starts at around, and that's the new 2025 MacBook, and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.